Hey, my name's Joanne, and this is To Crochet Curious. Well, it is the Wednesday WIP Wednesday, and I just wanted to let you know I finished my Cosmos blouse. This was my size inclusive challenge to try to size up a plus size from a standard size. And it went not so well at first. I will put a link to the pattern below, but I had to make some adjustments in order to have it fit me. And I think now that it's done, there might have even been one or two more adjustments I would make, but for the most part, I'm very happy with it. So let me show it to you. That's fine. And I'm very pleased with it. So I'm very pleased. So that is my first official wearable. Yeah, I feel pretty good about that. I do have something else in mind for my next wearable, but first I have some WIPs to finish, and so I'll have to select my next WIP project. Now, I do have this other one I said I would work on, and that is find it. It's a Mary Maxim kit from June, I think. It was the Daybreak Poncho. And the pieces are done. I've got them drying right now. Whoops. So I got two pieces done, drying right now, and then I just have to sew them together. I did pin them together and put it on, and I could wear it as a short poncho, but I may end up just giving it to somebody smaller than me because it'll fit them better and it'll look better. They gave extra yarn so you could make it bigger, but I'm not sure. They didn't give instructions to size it bigger, so, and I didn't know exactly what I was doing when I started it, so I didn't know how to do that. The only way I could do it now would be to make more panels or something, but I don't know. I don't know what the right way to size it up would be, so I'm just going to probably would be more chains across and another repeat maybe, but I just didn't think it through when I started. I just wanted to see how it came out. So now I've made it. So they gave me 3 skeins of yarn. I have one left and a partial, which I put the ball here somewhere. I don't see it, but there's a decent sized ball left. So a little over a 1 skein left, and but like I say, I don't know how I would make it bigger, so I'm not going to. I will just sew it together the way it says, and I'll show it off next week. So, but overall, man, I am so happy because I started both of these things a while ago, and it feels great to get them done. So now I just have to select my next project that I'm going to be working on, and let me grab the list and see what's on it. Like I can't seem to remember. There we go. Okay. So let's see. WIP. Oh yeah, my hexie cardigan. I think that's the next one I want to finish. WIP. Yeah. So if I was to work on 2 different things this week, I think I would work on the bucket hat, one of the bucket hats, and my hexie cardigan. Yeah, I think that sounds good. Now the hexie cardigan, I think, is right here. just to refresh, it is made with, I love this stuff. This is Mary Maxim Aspen. And it's just beautiful. This is Hot Springs. And it's 130 yards per skein, 100% acrylic, 3.5 ounces, 100 grams. It's just beautiful. It's a bulky 5, nice and soft. And my hexie cardigan, the 2 halves are made. And there's the one I've been working on. Okay, so I have seamed the sleeve and put in some extra material there so that my sleeve is a little bigger because I have big arms because I'm a big girl. So that part is done. And then I have done, which is which? Let's see. This is the, I'll figure it out. I believe this is the front half. Okay, I'm thinking about it. I kind of did the same thing on both. Let's see. We got the sleeve. All right, this, I believe this is the back. Wow, I didn't think it'd be that hard to tell the difference. Oh yeah, because I was working on the back, and there's the end. Okay, I was working on the back when I stopped. So this is the back seam. There's going to be some added on the other side of the back, and then I will stitch them together with like single crochet. So I'm adding several inches in the back so it's wide enough for me. And then in the front I have a nice, I can tack it down as a little lapel here, and then it will go down to the bottom. And then I have to decide, once I get both sides matching and joined in the back, I have to decide how I'm going to finish my sleeves, if I'm going to be reducing down and then like cuffing it, or what am I going to do with that. And then the last thing is deciding what kind of bottom, am I going to lengthen it significantly? Am I going to just put a some kind of a ribbing or something there, or what is the bottom going to look like, and how long am I going to make it? So lots of decisions to make on that one. So this will probably take me a few weeks to, unless it all just comes together and I all of a sudden know exactly what I want to do, I'll be messing around with it for probably a week or two. And then in the meantime, I have several small WIPs I can work on as well. So bucket hats, and got a chemo hat for my mom, and I can always make hats and scarves, but I do have several in-process WIPs I'd like to complete. So, you know, I did not post on Monday because I don't have enough of the mandala done to even show. I just have started the first round, and it's tiny, you know, so I'll try to have a little more done for next Monday. But I'm excited about the Never Have I Ever feature. That'll be on Mondays, and I'll be trying things I've never tried before. Some exciting things coming up on there. And then on WIP Wednesday, I'll just be going through making all the myriad of things that I like to make. And I do have a bunch of yarn for pumpkins. That's coming up. I know everybody likes to make pumpkins for the fall, and I have not made one yet, or any, and so I want to make some. I have some beautiful orange, green, and brown yarn, and I want to make leaves and stems and the whole shebang. So looking forward to that. And then of course I have some beautiful wool. I want to make some lovely scarves, and I need to start preparing for colder weather for my donations and take care of that, as well as continuing with Scrubby Sunday. So that's the news. So the Cosmos blouse is done, and gonna just head on down the road. We've got plans for multiple different projects: a tablecloth, a twin size bedspread, that I have started and then ran into some sizing issues, so I got to make some choices on that. And I'm just gonna keep on crocheting. So I hope you will continue to join me. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being here, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. We are closing in on 500 subscribers, at which point there will be a giveaway. So please subscribe if you haven't already. Thumbs up. Give me a nice comment, and I appreciate you. Thank you so much for your time.